Ready, start. A three-judge bench of this court held that discretion of the government in granting the largesse is not unlimited and the government cannot give or withhold largesse in its arbitrary discretion or at its sweet will. It has further been held that government cannot without adequate reason exclude any person from dealing with it or take away largesse arbitrarily. It also held that activities of the government have a public element and therefore there should be fairness and equality. It is well settled in law that government must have free hand in setting the terms of the tender and the court cannot strike down the terms of the tender prescribed by the authority merely because it feels some other terms in the tender would have been fairer, wiser, or more logical. It is equally well settled legal proposition that in the matter of formulating conditions of tender document, unless the action of tendering authority is found to be arbitrary and malicious, the court would not interfere. It is also well settled in law that a court cannot sit over judgment on what should be the eligibility criteria in the tender notice unless the same is arbitrary, discriminatory, or actuated by malafides. The principle of non discrimination is embodied in Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Article 14 has to be read in conjunction with rights conferred by other articles like Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Article 21 of the Constitution of India refers to right to life, which includes single inverted comma opportunity single inverted comma close as well. The doctrine of level playing field is an important concept while construing Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket G of the Constitution of India. Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket G confers fundamental right to carry out business to a company. It is entitled to invoke the doctrine of level playing field, which is, however, subject to public interest. The doctrine of level playing field provides the space within which equally placed competitors are allowed to bid so as to subserve larger public interest. In the backdrop of well settled legal principles, we advert to the fact of the case in hand. The present tender is for supply of sports kits to the students of primary school, upper primary school, and higher secondary school run by the state government in the state of Chhattisgarh. The eligibility criteria mentioned in the impugned tender notices must have rational nexus with the object sought to be achieved, that is, supply of good quality sports kits to students of the school at the best price. The eligibility criteria in impugned notices therefore should be framed in a manner which encourages wider participation and secures the best price for the state, which in turn safeguards the public exchequer. This court has enunciated the doctrine level playing field and has stated that the same finds expression in Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket G of the Constitution. The doctrine of level playing field requires that all equally placed competitors must be given an equal opportunity to participate in trade and commerce.